Hello, Shravani. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I'm fine. How are you?
Good, fine. Shravani, you applied for front-end position, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before starting, just tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you for allowing me to introduce myself. My name is Shravani Vikas Pattewar. I have 1.5 year of experience in the same field. Plus, I have completed my engineering from Vishwakarma Institute of Information Technology in Electronics and Telecommunication with CGPA of 9.7. And currently, I am interested in technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and have done couple of projects in same. Thank you.
Okay. Can you give me a brief introduction about your previous organization, on which domain you work, on which technology you work?
In previous organization, I have worked on the HTML, CSS basics part of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, where I have created some of the websites, and now I am looking for new job opportunities where I can improve my skills and where I will get opportunity to learn more.
Okay. How much you rate yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript out of 5?
In three of them, I rate myself as 3.5 out of 5.
In all three.
Yes.
Okay, good. First, we go ahead with HTML, CSS, then we start on JavaScript. Okay.
Yes, sure.
First, tell me what is difference between HTML4 and HTML5?
HTML4, the doc type declaration is hard, whereas in HTML5, we can use single doc type declaration, and in HTML4, we cannot it cannot supports audio and video formats, whereas in HTML5, audio video format is supported. In HTML4, we cannot use drag and drop methodology, whereas in HTML5, we can use the drag and drop methodology.
Okay. Tell me what are the difference between inline element and block level elements?
Okay. Block level element take the width of its parent element, whereas inline element does not take the width of its parent element. It takes the width of its content. Block level element always start with new line, whereas inline elements start in same line. And a block level we can give height and width to the block level element, whereas in inline element we cannot give height and width, whereas we can apply only margin to left and right side of the inline element. And some examples of inline elements are span, anchor tag, and image, whereas examples of block level elements are div, uh, paragraph, etc.
Okay. What is box model?
Uh, every HTML element is considered as a box model, which consists of four properties such as content, uh, padding, margin, and border. Content is the content which we show on our HTML page, and the uh, space between border and content is padding, whereas border is the separator between margin and padding, and space occupied by HTML element outside the border is called as margin. So overall, this concept is called as box model.
Okay. And what is box sizing?
Box sizing is used to control the height and width of any HTML element. The default value of box sizing is a content box, but we change it to border box.
Okay. What are the difference between display none and visibility hidden?
Sorry, sir, can you repeat?
What are the difference between display none and visibility hidden?
Okay, when we want to hide any HTML element, we can use both these methods. So when we use display none, it will removes or renders the particular HTML element from the website, and the space is also get removed, so the structure of HTML page can be changed. Whereas in visibility hidden, the the particular HTML element is removed with its space, but the spaces remain as it is in web page. So the structure of web page doesn't get affected by it.
Okay. What is the key difference between HTML element and tags?
Okay, HTML tag. HTML starting opening tag, closing tag, and content overall is called as HTML element, whereas tag is either the opening tag or closing tag.
Yeah. What is difference between EM and I tag?
Uh, I think I tag is used when we want to apply the text style as italic, that is text font as italic, but I'm not sure about EM.
Text font or text style?
Text font, that is
Sure.
italic.
Okay. Brush up on it after the interview. What is difference
Yes.
between EM and I tag? Similar
Yes,
way,
sure.
B tag and strong tag. Okay.
Okay.
Then tell me what is that rule?
Mm, attribute we use attribute on HTML element, which gives the meta information about the particular element to the browser.
What is mean by meta info?
Meta information such as let's say in image we use src attribute, where we store the address of that image, so browser will get to know the address where the image is located, so the information related to element.
What is use of float property?
Float we can use float property uh, if we want to change if we want to take one HTML element to the on the another HTML element, so maybe we can use float.
On the another one, I'm not getting it.
uh, Means if we want to in simple terms, if we want to lift the HTML element from HTML page, we use float, so we can move it on any other HTML element.
Okay. What are the listing in HTML?
Sorry, sir, can you repeat?
What are the lists in HTML?
Okay, in HTML there are two types of list: ordered list and unordered list. In ordered list, the ordering is given to the list elements, whereas in unordered list, the ordering is not given to the list.
Share your screen and show me one list. But I want its starting serial number with capital Roman number.
Yes, sure, sir.
First share your screen. Yeah.
I think my screen is visible.
Slowly.
Okay. Let me know when it's visible.
No. Can you share again?
Okay. Now is it visible?
No.
Still it is not visible.
Yes, not visible.
Can you see it now?
No. Do one thing here. When you click on share screen, that time
Yes.
don't click on any other window. Just directly share on.
Yes, I'm not clicking on any tab. I'm sharing the whole screen.
Okay. We will wait. Okay. Now tell me, what is meant by specificity?
Okay, a specificity is the score or count, we can say, based on which we will decide the uh, property that will apply on HTML element.
Okay. Which type of advanced selectors we use in CSS?
There are basically three advanced selectors we use in CSS. First is combinator selectors, second is attribute selectors, and third is pseudo selectors.
Can you elaborate combinator selector and pseudo selectors? Each and every.
Okay. In combinator selectors, we have four selectors. First one is descendant selectors. Second is direct child selector. Then adjacent sibling selector, and then adjacent sibling descendant selector, direct child selector, adjacent selector, and sibling selector. And in pseudo selectors, we have pseudo class and pseudo elements. In pseudo class, we have first child, last child, nth child. Uh, do you want me to explain each one of them?
No.
Okay,
Uh,
then
Now tell me, what is difference between pseudo class and pseudo element?
pseudo class is used to select the specific HTML element, whereas pseudo element is used to select specific element from the class.
Can you repeat?
Pseudo class is used to apply a specific property on a particular uh, class, and pseudo element will apply property on particular element in that class.
Element class. Okay. Brush up on it again.
Okay.
Which type of symbol we use in general sibling selector?
General sibling selector. We use greater than.
And which type of symbol we use in direct child selector?
Direct child selector. Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall.
Okay. Which type of symbol we use in adjacent sibling selector?
In adjacent sibling selector, we use plus.
Yes. Okay. Still, your screen is not visible. Can you check again?
Yes. When I'm selecting a share screen, I'm getting Chrome tab, window, and entire screen. So
Here the
I'm click.
entire.
So I'm clicking on that screen first, and share option is enabled, and then I'm clicking on share. Now is it visible?
No, let me check from my side.
Yes, please.
Yes, everything is right from my side. Uh, okay. Still is not visible. Okay.
Yeah, sharing it, but I don't know. Is it visible now?
No. Okay. No problem. Now,
Okay.
which type of semantic tag we use in HTML5?
The semantic tags such as header, footer, section, strong. So these are all semantic tag we use in HTML5.
Okay. Now, in how many ways can we position an HTML element?
There are total four ways with which we can position HTML element. First is static, second is fixed, third is sticky, fourth is absolute, and there is fifth one that is relative.
What is mean by sticky position?
Sticky position means when we let's see an example, like when we are scrolling any web page. So there are some elements which we want to show, even show on web page even if we are scrolling down. So we need to make their position sticky.
Okay. Check it proper definition after the intro.
Okay.
What is difference between link and anchor tag?
Link tag is used to link the any other HTML page or any other page to the HTML page. We use link tag, and anchor tag is used if we want to redirect from one page to other.
Okay. What is difference between nth child and nth of type?
Nth child, let's say we have one list, and in that list we have four items, and if we want to choose the third of it, then we can use nth child 3 from that list. But nth of type means if we have the div which contains paragraphs, left lists, um, and some other HTML elements. That time, if we want to choose particular list, then we need to choose, and we need to choose nth of type a list. That is particular list.
Can you turn on your camera?
Yes, it is on.
Still, it's not visible. Okay. Okay, we'll start on Java. What
Okay.
is the function?
Function is a block of element which is written to perform a specific task.
Block of element.
Sorry, a block of code.
Okay. What is array? What is object?
Array array and object are non-primitive data types. Array is nothing but the uh, collection of any data types based on index number, whereas object is the collection of relational data which is stored in the form of key value pairs.
Okay. Suppose I want to print the last element from given array. How to achieve?
Firstly, if we want to print the last element of array, we can say array in square brackets length of array minus 1. So it will print the last element of array.
Last element of array. What is the use of index of caret?
If we want to extract the particular in character from the string, then we can use char at and the index number. If we want to choose character at index 1, then char at index 1. And what you have asked second one? Index
Last
of.
one. Okay, no problem. Can you explain one example on index of how to use it? Suppose we have one where we declare one variable like uh, let str is equal to hello world in double quote. Okay.
Hmm.
Then tell me one example of how to use index of on that string.
Let's say we have a string hello world and we need to find the index of any letter from the or any word from the string, then we can write index of that word. So it will give the
How
index of.
how tell me in detail.
Uh, okay, let's see. We have an array of some strings, and we want a particular string index. Then we can say array dot index of in square bracket that string name. So it will give the
Dot
index of that string.
array dot. Listen carefully first. What I say. We have one string. Let
Hmm.
str is equal to in double quote hello world.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Just tell me one example on that string. How to use.
Uh, Maybe we can use index of the character of which we want the index.
Okay. We have one variable let str is equal to hello world. Okay. In
Hmm.
console, if I print str dot index of in bracket, I print one. What will be the output?
Index of 1. Maybe it will print E.
Sure.
Yes.
Check it after the interview. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose we uh, print instead of that we use Z. What will be the output? In double quote, if we use in double quote Z, what will be the output that time? str
Mm,
dot index of
mm.
in bracket in double quote if we use header. What will be the output that time?
Maybe it won't give any output because Z is not present in our string.
Then what will be the output?
Maybe some error, or it will not give any output. I'm not sure.
Not sure.
No.
Okay. Also check it after the intro. Okay.
Huh.
Suppose we use Z without double quote. That time what will be the output?
Maybe there is also some error because Z is not present in that.
Now, how many methods we use to extract this string?
Extract the string. We can use. Uh, sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall.
Can you heard about slice substring str?
Yes, we can use a slice substring to extract this string.
What is difference between slice and splice?
Slice is used when we want to extract particular number of elements, and splice is used if we want to remove the particular elements from the string or array.
Can we use a slice method on string?
No, no, no. It is only used on array.
Okay. What is coercion?
Coercion is nothing but conversion of one data type to the other.
Okay. Suppose we have one statement like let num is equal to in double quote 10 plus just a second. Okay. Uh, Shravani, uh,
Yes.
suppose we have one statement let num is equal to in double quote 10 then plus 5 minus true then plus 1. Got it?
Uh, can you repeat, sir? In string 10.
Num is equal to in string 10. Okay.
Hmm.
Then plus
Hmm.
5 then
Hmm.
minus true then plus 1. What will be the output?
This one.
Don't cheat, don't open the
Oh no,
browser.
no. I'm just typing it on a chat section to see. So 10 is a string plus 5, 10, 5.
Stop your screen just.
5. Stop share.
Stop your screen. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Stop your screen first.
Stop sharing my screen.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, I have stopped.
Just a second.
Okay.
Now my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. Just typing in HTML.
Yes.
Now, what will be the output here?
Uh, 10 will be string minus 2 zeros. It is 101 number.
One.
Sorry, 10, 10, 1011.
Sure.
Sorry, sir, can you repeat?
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Check it after the interview.
Okay.
Now, what is hosting?
Hosting. uh, when we declare any declaration in JavaScript, then the declaration is moved at the top of the HTML page or scope. So that concept is called as hosting. Only declaration is shifted to the top of the page, not its value.
Okay. Now, what is difference between the undefined and not defined?
If we declare any particular variable without assigning or initializing it, then it is undefined. And we are using any particular variable without declaring it, then it is not defined.
Okay. What is difference between late, const, where?
Okay, uh, where is used to declare the variable which has a global scope. Let and constant has a block scope. And in where reassignment and redeclaration both are possible. In let, reassignment is possible but redeclaration is not possible. And in constant, redeclaration reassignment both are not possible in particular scope. While using constant, we need to initialize it as soon as we declare it. And uh, in hosting is possible in var, and let and constant hosting is not possible. So that's it.
Suppose we have one string hello world. Okay.
Yeah, okay, okay.
I want to print just last two word.
Last two letters.
Sorry, last two letters. How to achieve it?
Um, okay. So firstly, we have a hello word as a string. Then we can split that string uh, without sending any uh, comma or space. Just write split. Then it will split into letters. Then either we can reverse it and print first two elements, or we can just print length minus one or minus two, both elements.
Sure.
Ah, yes. And then we need to join, because if we want last two characters to be in join state.
Okay, just a second. I'm sharing screen. Tell me.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me. I want to print just last two alphabet in console. How to achieve it? Tell me. What kind of
No, no. Okay. Mm, let
let
new str
new? Okay.
equal to str dot split
Yeah. Dot.
split
Please. Okay.
in that in round bracket double quote.
Okay.
Then we need to take then we will get the array of all the characters, so we can take in square brackets,
Tell me. Oh,
then new string in square bracket str dot length.
directly.
New string will be outside the square bracket.
Okay. Then
New str in square bracket str dot length dot length
okay.
minus one. One. So it will give us last, that is D. Now we want L, so we can take another declaration. We can store this value in let new
Okay.
string one. Then again let new one equals to.
Doing it.
This will be array, so new.
Okay. Take it after the intro. What is higher order function?
Um, Higher order functions are nothing but which can take a function as its argument or parameters.
Okay. What is difference between for each and map method?
For each and map method. For each method is used when we want to take each element from any array or some collection, So we can use for each, and map is used when we want to apply any functionality on each and every element of the array. So that
I
time
think
we use map.
for each loop we can apply each and every.
Yes, but in for each we need to create one new array, and then we need to append each and every element in that, and then we will get the final result. But in map it will automatically create the array of the required result.
Okay. What is difference between sum and every method?
Some method will give the elements which can satisfy the even condition or the elements which we want, but every will give each and every element from the collection.
Okay. What is difference between find and filter?
Uh, Filter, we use filter higher order function when we want to filter particular array based on single condition. Then we can use filter, and find if there are more than one condition, we can use find higher order function.
Can you repeat again?
Filter we used when we have single condition based on which we need to filter elements from given array, and in find if the conditions are more than one, maybe we can use find. I'm
Sure.
not sure about find.
Check it
I
out.
know about filter. Yes.
Okay, Shravani, done from my side. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, thank
Thank you.
you.